Today we'll look at how to create a word cloud in Qlik with the help of a word cloud extension that is available on Qlik Branch. First, we need to download the extension from Qlik Branch and load it into Qlik. Go to Projects, then search for Word Cloud. Once you locate the extension, download it from GitHub. To use this extension with Qlik Desktop, we first need to extract the contents from the zip file. Then we need to copy the extensions subfolder and paste it into the Qlik extensions folder. Now, when we open Qlik Desktop, the word cloud extension is available under the Custom Objects menu. Let's build a word cloud that shows the most frequent words that appear on our website. We'll load a table that contains words and the count of how many times they appear on the website. Now that our data is loaded, we can drag the word cloud from the custom objects onto our sheet. We'll use the words as the dimension and the frequency as the measure. Now we have a word cloud where the size of the word corresponds to the frequency of that word on our website. We can configure the way the word cloud looks from the add-ons section. We can set the word orientation. We can choose the start and end angle of the word cloud. We can set the minimum and maximum font sizes for the words. You can also change the color scale of the word cloud. And that is how to use the word cloud extension in Qlik Desktop. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching.